Hi guys, so in this video I will tell you a very interesting, a very surprising fun fact that in investment the major problem is the amount of capital you have, nor strategy, nor planning or nor percentages. So let me explain you with a very simple example. 2% of 5,000 is 100 rupees, while the same 2% of 2 lakh rupees is 4,000. So guys, even if you are getting just 2% return on a particular trade, you should keep those 4,000 in your pocket, obviously deducting those charges and all, and take the remaining amount home as profit just for the single trade. So now you understand that the main issue is the capital and not anything else. So due to lack of capital, you face issues such as limited diversifications, higher transaction or charges per order, no benefit of compounding, and limited access to certain investments. And one more thing guys, please take this point very seriously, that in investment the percentages matter. So that is, all game is of percentages. So you have to be very good at calculating percentages. Now next I am going to tell you that what are the strategies by which you can overcome this problem of less capital for you. So I would advise you is that you start with a small capital, a small amount of money, and be consistent, be regular, and you calculate that how much risk I can take in a particular go and how much loss I can bear, and keep consistently make a small amount of profits and bearable losses. Now the next point is that you select the investment platform. Like there are various platforms you all might be knowing, so you have to choose the one with less charges and one which could help you with your investment options fully. If possible, you should consider buying fractional shares for the time being if you have the less capital. For that you could invest in index funds or ETFs according to your convenience. Next point is that while investing, you should make a strategy such that you consider the dividends to be again reinvested in particular investment options you like. So majorly what I wanted to say that you need to reinvest your dividends. Now one pro tip here could be that you should leverage tax advantage accounts for your investment options, by which you could get the benefits of the tax exemption also. The another point, which is the very major point also, is education and research. As I always tell you guys that you should research and educate yourself to various exposure in investment options, and you should invest wisely after doing proper research and planning. Now for young investors or for anyone, a very good way by which they can earn some amount of money for investing is that they can start side hustle, freelancing, they can start work for something, work from home, work for anyone for the time being, so that they could also earn some money. You could see various videos available on YouTube or internet as to how you can earn some part-time income in order to get some funds for your investments. So guys, this is completely your take. Either you save and hustle now or you struggle later. So guys, I totally understand that while having less amount of money can be significant hurdle in investing, but yes, I also agree, you also have to agree, it is not the type of problem that couldn't be solved. By employing smart strategies, utilizing available tools, and staying consistent and disciplined, you can make a lot of money also, and which will help you in your investing also. What all really matters is that how early you start and how your journey goes consistently, even with the modest beginning. Now in the end, I would like to give you a pro tip to you all, that the key is that you all must start early, stay consistent, fix your time, and leverage all your resources in order to get high returns in all your investment options over time. So guys, with this video, I hope I have showed you some clarity. I have helped you in some or the other way so as to make your investment journey smooth. So guys, this was all from my side in this video. I will see you all guys in another video. Till then, that is all for this video. Thank you guys.